갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. So please feel free and subscribe and always ask your questions. And to my old subscribers, guys, I'm so sorry that I've been off for a very long time. I think about 3 months now. I'm so sorry, guys. So I'm fully back and I'm here to be dropping those bars for you guys, okay? And if you are yet to join my training class, in case you are interested, you can my contacts are below the description box. You see my WhatsApp contact there. That WhatsApp is only for my students and for those that want to buy my products. Please, if you have questions, leave your questions below the comment section, okay? Please, WhatsApp is only for business students and for my clients, okay? So guys, today I'm going to be talking about Peau or Peau. Peau or Peau, I don't know. Peau, the lunar cleanser, is a lotion cleanser, and this cleanser is one of the best in the market. This is one of the best cleanser in the market, okay? So I'm going to be showing you this cleanser in case for those of you that have pimples, those of you that have dark spots and sunburn. These cleansers work great when it comes to sunburn. It works great, like you will not believe it. So I'm going to be introducing these cleansers to you, so you can pick any one of your choice. They have 3 range. Yes, they are the same but 3 colors, so you can pick any one of your choice that you want to use, and I'm going to be telling you the functions of 3 of them, okay? So here is the cleanser, guys. This is Peau de Luna cleanser, okay? So they have the green color, this one is the pink color, this one is the brown color, and they also have the green color. So unfortunately I don't have the green color yet because I have not used the green color, so I don't want to give a review of something that I don't know about. You know, one thing about giving reviews, you have to make sure that you have used a certain product to a certain time before you can give review about that product. You see so many people come on YouTube to give reviews just in the name of views, like, you know, someone they need views. So you don't just come on YouTube, sit down and be giving reviews of what you have not used before, because now you're trying to mislead people. They can go and get that product and it will affect their skin, or it will not work on their skin. So you have to make sure that you're giving reviews on something that you have used yourself, okay? So these 2 cleanser I have used, they are the same, just different colors, okay? They have 3 colors, this one, and the green color. So the green color I don't have it because I haven't used the green color. So for this cleanser, the brown color is stronger than the pink color. This one is very strong, this one is more gentle, okay? So from the beginning I started using this one because the person that introduced this Peau de Luna cleanser, the person introduced this one to me, okay? So why the person introduced this to me? Because of sunburn. There was one time I was having sunburn. I don't understand why I was having sunburn anyway, because I don't go out, I don't go to the sun. That is it. I'm always indoor making my formulations. The only time you see me go outside if I'm going to DHL, and I go to DHL 3 times in a week. I do posting on Monday, I do posting on Wednesday, I do posting on Friday. Those are the days I do my shipping to my clients. So I don't go out. So I really don't know why I'm having sunburn. So I guess because I'm always taking my bath with hot water, because I don't take bath with cold water. Even inside this summer, I still take shower with hot water, and I always use hot water to wash my face. So I get that was why I was having those burns. So somebody introduced this cleanser to me, and when I was using this one, it was working, but it was peeling off my face. This brown one was peeling off my face, like not dangerous peeling anyway, don't get it twisted, like maybe something that is so obvious, or something that will destroy your skin after peeling. No, it will not destroy your skin, okay? It will just be giving you this mild peeling. You will just be feeling some whitish stuff coming out from your skin, so it gives that mild peeling. So I complained to the person that introduced me to this cleanser, like, oh, this cleanser is actually peeling my face, so I couldn't go out during like that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I used to do my shipping, so I would just like do makeup on my face. Even if I do makeup on my face, you will still see that peeling effect, but it was really peeling off the sunburn. So the person said this one is stronger, that I should get the pink one. So I got the pink one. I was not experiencing any peeling again, but it was like the thing was working slowly. It was taking time. This one was just going, she thing now. It was just going, but just because of that peeling of a thing. So I started using this one. This one was working, but it's kind of gentle, just mild, very, very mild. It's gentle on the skin. I did not experience anything like peeling. So because the thing was working so slow, what I later did, I have to combine both together. So this is what I did. I took half of this, and I took half of this, and I mixed them together. Half of this and half of this, I mixed them together. Okay, because this one is gentle mild, but it's working slow. This one is kind of tough, but it's working fast. So I mix them together. That is what I'm still using till today. Okay, that is the cleanser I'm using till today, but I use it only at night. Guys, please use this thing at night, okay? Because if you apply this thing on your face, you're going to feel it like, when something is kind of, I don't know if there's alcohol on it, because when I read it, there's nothing like alcohol on it, but you will feel that something tingling. Do you get? So you have to use it at night. Don't use it at daytime, please. Okay, if you're using it at daytime, that means you are not going out, you're staying indoor. Please don't use this and go under the sun. Most of you that is in Nigeria, don't use this and go under the sun. It's not good. So I'm going to tell you how you're going to use this cleanser. If you want to go for a tough, maybe your skin is very, very tough, you can use this one. Okay, if your skin is kind of sensitive, then you can use this one. So if you just want to like mix it, like the one I'm mixing is the combo, I mix them together and I use them. So after I take my bath at evening time, or rather at night before I go to bed, I can wash my face with my soap. Then I use my cotty wool, and I just dab the cleanser. Meanwhile, I have already mixed both of them together. I dab it on my cotty wool and I use it to clean all over my face. Then I will allow it to dry. If you allow it to dry, you will see your face will be like kind of stinging a little bit. Do you get? So after cleaning my face, then after using it to clean my face, I apply my face cream. So some people do wash it off later off. I don't do that. I haven't done that before. Some people will apply it on their face and later wash it off. What is the need, man? So I don't know, maybe it works for them like that, but for me, I don't see any reason of washing it off. Okay, so I use my cotton wood and I dab it on my face, and I allow it to dry, and I apply my face cream. So this cleanser works for not just sunburn alone. Okay, this cleanser works for sunburn, and this cleanser also work for pimples, and this cleanser also work for dark spots. Okay, if you have dark spots, if you have sunburn, if you have pimples, these three things. Okay, so if you're having a normal face, like normal face without pimples, without saying dark spot, without sunburn, there's no need of using this thing. Okay, please don't use it. But if you know you have such skin condition, you can use it. Okay, so hold on. And this is also made with fruit extract. Okay, they're also made with fruit extract, meaning they have acid. See, when I say acid, not the dangerous one, no, they contain fruit acid. Okay, fruit acid. So they're kind of milder than the other acid. So you can use this and do it every morning or every evening, but I will not advise you to do it in the morning if you're going out. Please, I do it even if I'm not going out. I still don't use it. Now I'm making this video, I think it's 3 o'clock by now. I have not applied it, so before I'm going to apply it on my face is at night time. Okay, So you can use this to clear out your pimples, you can use it to clear out your dark spots, you can use this to clear out your sunburn. Okay, and these two you can also promise it, like for those people that sell. If you want to sell, you can promise it for sunburn, for pimples, and for dark spot. You can promise both of them together, but they still have other things you can still add to it. Okay, not just mixing them together and you start selling. There are still other things you can also add to it. And for the green one, guys, I really don't know what to say about that. So I've not used it before, so I know they are doing the same thing. Maybe that one will be over ash, or that one will be normal, or for normal skin. I don't know. I haven't used the green one. So these two, I'm selling them. I've used them, that is why I'm selling them, and that is why I'm giving this review. If I've not used it, I'm not going to give you this review. Okay, so if you have sunburn, use it, no panic, it will help you. If you have pimples, use it, no panic, it will help you. If you have a dark spot, use it, no panic, it's going to help you. But just make sure that you're doing it at night, not doing it at daytime and you put your face under the sun. Please, I'm not going to advise that. And if you want to apply it and wash it off later, I don't know why some people are doing it anyway, but I don't do that. I apply it on my face, allow it to dry, and I apply my face cream to it. Okay, and please guys, if you're buying, make sure you're buying the original. Please make sure you're buying the original. Okay, so I haven't gotten the fake one. And this cleanser, they cover the head. They have another head again, that the head is kind of big. They have another head, is kind of big, and this one the head is small. So it doesn't mean that, okay, because this one the head is big, it is fake. The other one, because the head is small, it is fake. No, you have to concentrate with the content inside, what you have inside. That is what you have to be concentrating on, not mailing the bottles. Okay, and how you also know the fake one, if you're using it and you're having reaction, if it's affecting your face, doing another thing, or doing the negative thing on your skin, then you know that you must have gotten the fake one. So I've been using this one and it's working for me. It will just give you that mild peeling. If you want something that will peel, you go for this one. If you just want that mild stuff, you can use this, or you mix both of them together for sunburn, pimples, and the dark spot. If you don't have these things on your face, avoid it. Leave your face like that. Take your bath, wash your face, apply your face cream, and you're good to go, guys. So I hope you are you can be able to, I don't know. I hope you like this video, and I hope if you have this kind of skin conditions, you can use this cleanser. It's called Peau de Luna cleanser. So you can get this from the market and use it. You can get the brown one and use, you can get the pink one and use. For the green one, I don't know, guys. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Guys, please just subscribe and always watch my video, because I'm not going anywhere again. I'm here, I'm just going to be dropping those bars now. Okay, so guys, I love you all. Bye.